Hello everyone. So today I'll be using this scratch removing powder that I bought from eBay to remove some scratches off my Apple Watch Series 8. As you can currently see, it has a lot of scratches on it. So my goal is to try to remove as many scratches as I can. And once I remove these scratches, I will make a video of the results after. So I just finished applying the scratch remover powder, and here's how it looks like after. As you can see, it removed almost all the scratches from the screen. So it does work pretty well on Apple Watches. I have not tested it on a phone screen yet, but I will do that in the next video and upload that.